Today, we're visiting Caleta de Fuste, one of the most accessible and relaxed coastal towns in Fuerteventura. Located on the eastern coast of the island, Caleta de Fuste is often one of the first places visitors see after arriving, because it sits just a short drive from the island's airport. Unlike some older fishing villages in Fuerteventura, Caleta de Fuste was developed mainly as a resort town, but despite that, it has created a comfortable balance between tourism, beaches, and everyday island life. The town is built around a natural bay. This bay protects the main beach from strong Atlantic waves, creating calm water almost all year round. Because of this, the beach here is especially popular with families and swimmers who prefer gentle conditions. The sand is golden, the water is shallow, and the atmosphere feels safe and relaxed. Walking along the promenade, you'll notice restaurants, cafes, and small shops facing the ocean. Many visitors come here simply to enjoy slow evenings by the sea. One of the most recognizable landmarks in Caleta de Fuste is the historic Castillo de San Buenaventura. This small stone fortress dates back to the 18th century and was originally built to protect the coastline from pirate attacks. Centuries ago, the Canary Islands were an important stop between Europe, Africa, and the Americas. Because of that, coastal settlements often needed protection from raids. Today, the castle stands quietly near the beach, a reminder of the island's maritime history. Another interesting aspect of Caleta de Fuste is how walkable it is. Everything feels close together: the marina, shopping areas, hotels, and beaches. Visitors can easily explore the entire town on foot. The marina area adds a different atmosphere compared to other parts of Fuerteventura. Here you'll see sailing boats, diving excursions, and water sports activities. The calm bay makes it ideal for paddleboarding, snorkeling, and beginner-friendly water activities. Compared to the windy west coast of the island, the eastern side often feels slightly more sheltered. That's why many travelers choose Caleta de Fuste for a relaxed holiday base while exploring the rest of Fuerteventura. From here, it's easy to reach different parts of the island: volcanic landscapes inland, long beaches to the north, or traditional villages in the interior. The architecture here reflects modern Canary Islands tourism: low-rise buildings, white walls, palm trees, and open terraces designed to enjoy outdoor living throughout the year. Fuerteventura is known for its mild climate, with warm temperatures even during winter months. This makes towns like Caleta de Fuste popular with visitors escaping colder European weather. In the evening, the atmosphere changes again. Restaurants begin to fill, lights reflect on the water, and people gather along the promenade to watch the sunset colors spread across the bay. Because the beach faces east and southeast, sunsets here feel softer, with warm reflections rather than direct ocean sunsets like on the west coast. Caleta de Fuste may not be the wildest or most dramatic place on the island. Instead, it offers comfort, easy beaches, calm ocean water, and a relaxed rhythm that makes it ideal for slowing down and enjoying island life. Whether you're staying nearby or simply passing through while exploring Fuerteventura, Caleta de Fuste shows another side of the island: welcoming, accessible, and peaceful. This is Caleta de Fuste, where history, ocean views, and modern island living come together. Just a few minutes away from the main beaches of Caleta de Fuste, there's a place many visitors completely miss. Hidden between ancient volcanic rocks, this natural swimming pool was shaped by the Atlantic Ocean itself over thousands of years. The lava formations protect the water from strong waves, creating a calm and crystal clear lagoon right next to the open ocean. Standing here, you can really feel the wild nature of Fuerteventura. The sound of the waves, the volcanic landscape, and the endless horizon of the Atlantic. During low tide, the water becomes incredibly clear, turning this spot into a natural ocean pool where locals come to swim, relax, and enjoy one of the most peaceful views on the island. Places like this show a different side of Caleta de Fuste, beyond resorts and hotels, closer to nature and the true spirit of the Canary Islands. Here in Caleta de Fuste, you can find a very special monument dedicated to Doña Francisca Calero, affectionately known by locals as Doña Frasquita. She was one of the pioneer women of this area and became a symbol of strength, courage, and family life on the island of Fuerteventura. At a time when this place was still a small fishing and farming community, life here was difficult. People depended on hard work, resilience, and strong family values to survive. Doña Frasquita represents the generation of local women who helped build the foundations of modern Caleta de Fuste. She is remembered as a Madre Coraje, which in Spanish means a brave and devoted mother, someone who supported her family and community through challenging times. The monument was inaugurated in 2017 and today stands here in Plaza Doña Francisca Calero as a tribute to the island's history and to the everyday people who shaped this beautiful coastal town. When you walk around Caleta de Fuste, monuments like this remind visitors that behind the modern resorts and beaches, there is a deep local story and cultural heritage.